Checking your AirPods iCloud connection status.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be answering a crucial question for all you Apple users out there. How can I check if my AirPods are still connected to iCloud after resetting? If you've recently reset your AirPods, ensuring they're still connected to your iCloud is crucial for seamless use across your devices.
Why is iCloud connection important for AirPods?
Before we dive into the steps, let's first understand why iCloud connectivity matters for your AirPods. Your AirPods connection to iCloud allows for smooth integration and device switching. This means you can use your AirPods seamlessly across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. After resetting your AirPods, confirming this connection ensures uninterrupted operation.
Checking your AirPods iCloud connection.
Alright, let's get into the meat of it. Follow these steps to check your AirPods iCloud connection. 1. Open your iPhone and go to the Settings app. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Select iCloud. 4. Scroll down and find AirPods in the list of apps using iCloud. If your AirPods are listed, they're still connected to iCloud. If they're not, you'll need to reconnect them.
Reconnecting your AirPods to iCloud.
In case your AirPods are not listed, here's how you can reconnect them to iCloud. 1. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. 2. Open the lid of your AirPods case with the AirPods inside and hold it next to your iPhone. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your AirPods. Once connected, your AirPods should now appear under Apps using iCloud in the iCloud section of the Settings app. And that's it. You've successfully checked your AirPods iCloud connection status after resetting. Remember, maintaining your iCloud connectivity is key to a smooth and streamlined user experience across your devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.